Alright guys, sorry for the strange view, but I'm going to try and show you how to quickly sketch these types of graphs. Alright, so first let's note the amplitude. Amplitude's 3. Okay, and we see that there's a horizontal translation of pi on 4 to the right. Okay, and the period is 2 pi on 2, which is just pi. Okay, and we're sketching over this domain from pi on 4 to 5 pi on 4. Now, what we can do really quickly is, because it's just a sketch, right, we want to do it as quickly as possible, especially under test conditions. First, let's mark in our dotted lines for the minimum and maximum values. And we know that, a normal sine graph looks like this. So it's very important that you know your normal sine graphs and cosine graphs. So this is sine and this is cosine, starts at 1. Alright, so we know that it goes from 3 to -3, because we know it starts, the normal sine graph starts here, it's been dilated by a factor of 3, so it's going to go up and down, okay, and we know that with a period of pi, there's 4 equal sections, so pi on 4, so I'll do an axis of pi on 4, 2 pi on 4, 3 pi on 4, 4 pi on 4, which is pi, and 5 pi on 4. Okay. And then the easiest thing to do is sketch our normal sine graph for just 3 sine of t, and then draw in our translation. So everything's just been shifted pi on 4 to the left. So what would a normal 3 sine t, 2t equal, or look like? It would be period of pi, so it starts repeating from here to here, that's where it starts repeating, and it has to go up, back down, down into the 4 equal parts. So this is what it looks like. Okay, and then it goes back up to here. That's our normal sine graph for this is y equals 3 sine 2t. And then we just look at the translation. Okay, this is a translation of pi on 4 to the right. So I'm going to do a different color. There's my pi on 4, it's been shifted there. And so now this point, so that one's gone to there. And then it starts repeating after pi. Okay, this point is shifted pi on 4 to the right. This point is shifted pi on 4 to the right. That point's been shifted pi on 4 to the right. That point's been shifted pi on 4 to the right. So now I can just join the dots. And that is y equals 3 sine 2 of t minus pi on 4. And then label your endpoints as coordinates. So 5 pi on 4, 0, and pi on 4, 0. And that's your sketch. So that's pretty quick.